Okay, great job. You've made it to the end of basic training for Google Earth videos. And I want to congratulate you. Your skill set is now fairly proficient in Google Earth. At this point, though, you're not quite ready to produce those high quality videos. So I've got a lot of hacks and tips and techniques for how to generate the high quality 4K videos in Google Earth. And you'll want to make sure to check out my advanced training by following the instructions in the description below. And what you can expect in the advanced training is the following. So Google Earth does crash from time to time, so I will show you some tips and tricks for how to prevent that as best as possible, along with how to recover from it. I'll show you how to effortlessly fly around Google Earth without the clunky navigation controls. You'll learn how to do smooth zooming, how to create a track instead of a route, how to follow a track instead of a route, how to import and edit GPS tracks, how to format a route or a track, advanced touring concepts, changing the Google Earth camera position and angle, trip planning hacks including multi-segment and straight legs, advanced preferences, how to record a Google Earth video to your computer, and also how to edit those Google Earth videos for final production. So again, check out the description below where you'll find out how to access my advanced training, and we'll see you there. Enjoy.